Hello guys, welcome back and thanks for watching. So last week we had a technical problem. I hope you all were able to submit your assignments and do the peer assessment. If you are not able to submit your assignment, you should check with your instructor, because some instructors are requesting that students submit their assignment directly into their email for grading. On today's video, I wanted to share with you some 5 tips that can help you prevent you from not submitting your assignments just like last week whenever a technical problem occurs. So I've seen that many students submit their assignments almost at the end of the study week. So I wanted to share with you 5 tips on how you can accurately do that and avoid being cut off by the technical problems that always sometimes do occur. So we'll be right back. So in order for you to succeed in your online class or studies, tip number 1 is for you to stick to your weekly schedule. At our university, we have a weekly schedule which starts from Thursday and ends on Thursday midnight. That is the US time. So in order for you to be accurate, in order for you to always submit your assignments and avoid being cut off by technical problems, I advise you to make your own schedule, weekly schedule. Now you should make your own weekly schedule depending on your other activities, like your work, like your home activities. If you make your weekly study schedule depending on your activities, it will go a long way for you to submit your assignments early. So stick to a weekly schedule. Make your own weekly schedule. For example, the University of this people is from Thursday to Thursday midnight. So you can make your own weekly schedule from Thursday to maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. In that case, you still have a lot more time to submit your assignment whenever it arises. Okay, whenever there is a technical problem, you still have more time. So stick to a weekly schedule. Very important. So the second tip is for you to prepare for exams. Most of us, we do prepare to submit our assignments, our weekly assignments. We don't prepare for our exams. Like, we do research only when we want to submit our assignments. So in order for you to succeed in your online studies, you need to prepare for exams and not to submit assignments. Like, I remember many people, a friend of mine that we used to study together, he would just Google the question and try to do a little bit of research. When he submits the question, the answer, that's all for the study. So in order for you to prepare for the exams, you need to read the study materials. So prepare for your exams rather than preparing to submit your assignments. This is also the second important tip. In order for you to stay focused, in order for you to succeed in your online studies, prepare for the exams. Do not prepare to submit assignments. Yeah. So tip number 3 is for you to strive for achievements, not for you to strive for perfections. Most of us, we want to get A grades, we want to get A+. It's a good thing. Don't get me wrong. It's a very good thing. But I think if you strive to get perfection, which is that A grade or A+, you easily get angry and you get discouraged whenever you have an instructor maybe pointing a fault that you made a mistake to this. You always get angry. For example, you submit your assignment after doing research online without even reading the reading materials, and you think you've done well, and the instructor grades you wrong, and it's very easy for you to be angry. So in order for you to prepare for you to prepare to achievement, for your achievement rather than being perfect, you should read the reading materials. Read the reading materials, do a whole lot of research, and check the online videos, and do a whole lot of research. Especially do the reading assignment. It will help you to prepare for achievement rather than perfection. And number 4 is for you to take advantage of online resources. Online resources are very important for you to help you study online. Now, when I say take advantage of online resources, I'm not saying that you should copy things from online and paste for your assignment and submit for your assignment. No. What I'm saying is that after reading the reading materials, you should do a whole lot of research before submitting your paper. In this case, you have a broader, a wider sense of understanding on the topic concerned. So you should take advantage of the online resources. It's going to help you a long way to study online successfully. And the last but not the least is that you should be aware of your stress level. Most of us, we have internal and external stresses, and it's very important if you are aware of what stresses you up in order for you to avoid doing that, especially during when you're studying. So when you know what stresses you up, when you know what is the problem, you can easily get the solution to that problem. So in order for you to successfully study online, be aware of your stress. Know what can stress you up and try by all possible means to avoid that thing. The American University of Technology, Psychology did a research and noticed that about 30% of online students do not complete their studies because they are not aware of their internal and external stress or stressors. So be very, very confident of yourself. Be aware of your stress factors and try to avoid them, especially when you're about to study. And finally, the last point I would like to mention is that you should be very optimistic. You don't have to listen to what people are saying about your studies. You don't have to listen to what people are saying about where you're studying, about your university. You just have to know that your last point is when you achieve your degree. You're not studying to achieve good grades. You're studying to achieve a master's degree or a bachelor's degree. So when you get to that last bus stop, that is when you can relax. That is when you can listen to other people. So be very optimistic. Know what you're in for. When you know what you're in for, you can easily get it. Set your goals. So that's all I have for you today. My name is Joel Ara, and this is my word. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. In that case, you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. In our next video, I'll be posting some updates about studying at the University of the People. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.